Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone, where we dive deep into the latest technology news, leaks, and reviews about cameras, drones, smartphones, and more. Today, we're talking about one of the most highly anticipated cameras of 2025, the Canon EOS R3 Mark III. This upcoming full-frame mirrorless body has been the subject of countless leaks, early rumors, and insider reports, and if even half of these details are accurate, Canon might be preparing to deliver one of its most exciting hybrid cameras yet. The Canon R3 series has always been a fan favorite among wedding photographers, event shooters, and hybrid creators who demand both high-quality stills and professional-grade video in one package. The original R3 set the stage as a balanced, all-around performer, while the R3 Mark II refined those strengths with faster readout speeds, impressive autofocus, and better thermal management. Now, all eyes are on the R3 Mark III, with the big question being, will this model simply polish existing features, or will it push the R series into brand new territory? Canon EOS R3 Mark III. Sensor and resolution. At the core of every camera lies its sensor, and that's where the most speculation about the R3 Mark III is focused. Early whispers suggested Canon might recycle the 24-megapixel sensor from the flagship EOS R3. But recent reports point towards something far more ambitious. A 30 to 32 megapixel sensor designed specifically for this body. Why does this matter? A jump to 32 megapixels would place the R3 Mark III between the EOS R5 Mark II and the upcoming EOS R1, giving creators a sweet spot of resolution, enough for detailed portraits, commercial work, and landscapes, while still manageable for fast-paced shooting like weddings and sports. This middle ground could appeal to professionals who want more detail than 24 megapixel, but don't necessarily need the massive file sizes of a 45 megapixel R5 Mark II. Beyond megapixels, rumors suggest Canon is working on improved readout speeds. Faster readout means reduced rolling shutter in video, snappier performance for electronic shutter stills, and overall smoother operation, crucial for hybrid creators shooting both stills and 4K 8K video. If Canon can balance resolution and speed without compromising either, the R3 Mark III could become a true hybrid powerhouse. Autofocus and AI tracking. Improvements. Canon's dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system is already considered one of the best in the YOW industry, but insiders claim the Mark III could bring AI-powered subject recognition improvements. Expect better tracking for humans, animals, vehicles, and possibly expanded subject categories. There are even rumors that Canon might borrow some of the machine learning autofocus technology being developed for the R1 and trickle it down into the R3 lineup. This would mean more reliable face-eye tracking, even in difficult lighting conditions, and smarter predictive algorithms for fast-moving subjects. For sports and wildlife photographers, this could be game-changing. Global shutter possibility 1. Of the most exciting and controversial rumors about the R3 Mark III is the potential inclusion of a global shutter, or at least a near-global sensor readout. While Canon has not confirmed this, even the possibility has the photography community buzzing. A global shutter would virtually eliminate rolling shutter issues, which are especially noticeable in fast-panning video, drone shots, and sports photography. It would also improve flash synchronization speeds, offering more creative control for studio shooters. Whether this feature makes it into the R3 Mark III remains to be seen, but even incremental improvements in readout speed will be welcomed by hybrid users. Viewfinder and LCD enhancements. Another area of rumored upgrades is the electronic viewfinder. The R3 Mark II already features a good quality EVF, but Canon could boost resolution, refresh rates, and brightness for the Mark III. A sharper EVF with 120 Hz or even 240 Hz refresh would make a massive difference for professional work, especially in fast-action scenarios. The rear LCD is also rumored to get a redesign. Canon's fully articulating flippy screen has been a favorite for vloggers, solo creators, and filmmakers. Leaks suggest the R3 Mark III might feature a larger, more durable hinge design and improved touch response. A brighter panel with HDR preview support would also help creators better judge exposure when shooting in log profiles. Ergonomics and build quality. Design-wise, Canon is expected to stick with the refined R-series body shape rather than making drastic changes. However, small but meaningful tweaks are likely. Rumors mention improved weather sealing, slightly adjusted button layouts for faster handling, and possibly a new customizable control dial. These tweaks may sound minor, but for professional photographers who use their gear daily, even subtle improvements can translate into a much smoother shooting experience during long events or outdoor assignments. Video capabilities, 6K or 8K recording. Perhaps the biggest talking point for hybrid creators is video. The R6 Mark II already impressed with oversampled 4K 60 and solid heat management, but expectations for the Mark III are much higher. Some leaks suggest that Canon might include 6K or even 8K recording in some form. While it's unlikely that Canon will give full 8K RAW recording to the R6 Mark III, it's possible we'll see 6K oversampled 4K or compressed 8K modes. Additional rumored video upgrades include 10-bit 4.2.2 internal recording across all modes expanded. Canon Log 3 profiles for better dynamic range potential addition of Canon Log for stills, giving hybrid shooters more post-processing flexibility, better thermal management to reduce overheating in extended video shoots. If Canon truly leans into video features, the R6 Mark III could become one of the most appealing cameras for YouTubers, filmmakers, and vloggers who need professional results without the cost of the R5 or R1 bot pricing and market positioning. Now let's talk money. The EOS R6 Mark II launched at $2,499, and current rumors suggest the Mark III will land closer to the $2,999–$2,999 range. This price bump may raise eyebrows, especially with the R6 Mark II often discounted in 2025. That said, Canon will almost certainly justify this increase with real tangible upgrades. A higher resolution sensor, expanded video features, improved autofocus, and more robust build quality could easily push the R6 Mark III into a higher bracket, positioning it as a true bridge between mid-tier and flagship mirrorless cameras. Release. Date rumors. Industry insiders hint at an August 2025 launch window for the EOS R6 Mark III. Interestingly, this could coincide with the rumored announcement of the Canon EOS R7 Mark II, an APS-C sibling designed for enthusiasts and wildlife shooters. If both models launch together, Canon could dominate the late 2025 camera conversation. Should you upgrade? This is the big question many current R6 and R6 Mark II owners are asking. Is it worth moving up to the R6 Mark III? For some users, especially those who primarily shoot weddings, portraits, and events, the Mark II already delivers more than enough resolution, speed, and video capability. If Canon doesn't introduce groundbreaking features like a global shutter, 8K video, or log profiles for stills, many photographers may decide to stick with what they have. But for hybrid shooters who demand the absolute best in flexibility, video power, and resolution balance, the Mark III could be a very tempting upgrade. Final thoughts: the Canon EOS R6 Mark III is shaping up to be one of the most talked about cameras of 2025. With potential upgrades in sensor resolution, autofocus intelligence, video recording, ergonomics, and software innovation, it seems Canon is building a camera that truly caters to hybrid creators, professional photographers, and filmmakers alike. If the leaks prove accurate, this won't just be a small refresh. It could be a major leap forward in Canon's mirrorless lineup, giving creators the perfect balance of detail, speed, and versatility. The world of camera rumors 2025 is buzzing, and we'll soon see if Canon delivers on the hype. Until then, let me know in the comments. What features do you want to see in the Canon EOS R6 Mark III? Would you upgrade from your current camera or wait for the R1? Stay tuned, because as soon as more leaks and official confirmations come out, I'll be covering them here on Techno Trend Zone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for the latest updates on Canon cameras, photography gear, drones, and all things tech.